Hey, Chris with CKR Solar again. Excuse my wild hair. It's just been an exciting install day. I am over here at a country place assisted living facility, and you guys may remember that we installed three Tesla Powerwall threes last year, helping through Hurricane Milton. Really great system. Well, we've added two expansion units here on the side. Had to move some of our disconnects with the help of our great electrician and span installer, Luke, who's thankfully come and helped us with this one. So, already had a lot of the solar installed. We've been working on this for many years, sort of uh, building the system out as it goes. And then the most important thing is with this system is that we've added in the most glorious piece of kit. So as you can see, we've installed one of the first span 48s here in Florida, and we've done it for this assisted living facility that is really utilizing batteries to help with their resiliency plan, and the span sort of adds to it. Now, we've been waiting for the 48 just because of the amount of loads that they want to manage. And also, a nice new feature is the span 48 allows you to add a 100 amp breaker, whereas the previous iteration only allowed a 90. So, there's some functionality there. Now, we still have a few spaces, so that's good to know. But yeah, the fact that it doesn't have the main breaker anymore means that we have more space. It's got more space either side for our installers as well. You know, Luke does not have small hands. And then it all comes in a modular sort of fashion. So just much, much easier to manage and install. And it's all around a beautiful, powerful looking product. So really happy with how this one turned out. And as you can see, sort of fits the bill for a business that's looking for the ultimate in grid resiliency. So, you know, standing in a room talking about electrical panels. So I'm going to go, but thank you very much.